So this is Zad will tell us how XMBP works and how Google Talk libraries actually work. So Zad, go ahead.
Okay, sure.
So what is libjingle?
So basically, Google exposes this library, libjingle, which is the underlying library that Google uses for Google Talk Voice and P2P interoperable. It's an interoperable P2P library as well. So basically, you go to this tutorial, code.google.com/libjingle. There you will just find an overview uh, of this library. They have two tutorials, one based on voice chatting and the other P2P file sharing system. So it's open source, anyone can download it, anyone can use it any way they wish to. So basically we have also used this library for our application.
And you're using it for screen sharing.
No, basically we're using it for coordinating between different computers. Like over the internet, you need to coordinate, you need to connect to your client applications. Okay, on a P2P, in a P2P system, your server needs to connect to your client. For that, it needs to know the IP address or something to actually connect to your client. So basically, the concept here comes. There's a concept called JID. You need the JID to connect to your client to your client. JID is forgotten right now.
JIT is something.
Yeah, JID is something you basically it could be thought like a IP address or something that you search over the internet for the client. Like for example, when you connect to Google servers, you get a JID. Once you get a JID, you locate the computer, and using that JID, you can establish a tunnel between your client application and your server application. Using that, once you establish a tunnel, then you can like run any application you want. You want to run a P2P file server system, you want to run a chat application, or you want to run a remote desktop application like what we do. So basically you need a JIT to coordinate between client and server applications. Once you establish a tunnel, you can do whatever you want. If you want to go into details, I might need to go over some details.
Sure, go ahead.
No, I need to look
Oh,
at
you
this.
want to search more?
No, I need to look over it. I need to refresh everything before I go over all this. This is like the short overview of libjingle. If we want more details regarding this, we can go to basically this libjingle is based on XMPP protocol. They have just enhanced this XMPP protocol and tailored made it to suit the Google Talk framework, and they just put it out as open source code, which you can use it for your application. If you want to look into developers guide, you'll look at the underlying architecture for that. Here you have important concepts, how libjingle actually works. They also have a tutorial for that. They have it it works actually. It uses relay servers. You can have direct connections. It traverses your NAT and all that stuff. So it's a very good protocol to bypass firewalls, NAT traversals, or anything that is like blocking your IP address or something. This is the underlying architecture, how it works. Basically, these are the classes that are involved in that. Or here you can see you can have a remote user, and here you can have whatever application you want to run. Here you have sample applications as well. Um, you have a voice chat sample application, and then you have a file sharing sample application. You can look at its source code, you can tailor it, tailor make it, whatever you can you can do whatever you want with it. Details इसके बारे में I need to refresh my own concepts, and then
Excellent. Thank you so much.
no problem.